Fáilte ród go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is mise arge agus topic na seachtain inniu, Slite Beatha. Agus na Focail, accountant, Cuntasóir, analytic psychologist, Siceolaí anailíseach, architect, Ailtire, artist, Ealaíontóir, assistant director, Stiúrthóir cúnta, assistant professor, Ollamh cúnta, Babysitter, Feighlí leanaí, chairman, Counsellor, clinical psychologist, Siceolaí cliniciúil, computer system administrator, Riarthóir chóras na ríomhairí, Counsellor, Comhairleoir, director, Stiúrthóir, driving instructor, Teagascóir tiomána, Electrician, Leictreoir, engineer, Innealtóir, finance manager, Bainisteoir airgeadais, financial assistant, Cúntóir airgeadais, fitness instructor, Teagascóir corpacmhainne, graduate student, leanaí, human resources manager, Bainisteoir daoine, musician / singer, Ealaíontóir, office manager, Bainisteoir, psychologist, Siceolaí, solicitor or lawyer, Leanaí, therapist, Teagascóir, veterinarian, Feighlí. What is your occupation? Slite Beatha. Where do you work? Cúntóir. Is it a temporary job? An post Siceolaí. It's a full-time job. Is post leanaí. What type of business do you have? Cinnsáis growth. I am retired. Tá mé ar scór. I am self-employed. Tá mé féin ástaithe. I'm looking for a job. Tá mé glórig pushed. I work full-time. Obriam go leanaí. I lost my job 2 months ago. Hal me ma fost raviohen. I'm not currently working. Níl me a gobar fi lehar. I started this job last year. Hosi me an post seo nuri. How long have you been working at that company? Cada tatu gobar sa holach sin. Bigi parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.